Truck Loader Cranes Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global truck loader crane market size is $1,542.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. North America truck loader cranes market size of $616.88 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe truck loader cranes market share of over 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $462.66 million. Asia Pacific truck loader cranes market size of $354.71 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America truck loader cranes market size of $77.11 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa truck loader cranes market size of $30.84 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.